If we navigate to the profile icon, we can click Insights and view a list of daily financial insights. We can press Monthly, see our 30-day spending overview and monthly spending overview, as well as monthly spending by category as a pie chart. Also, we can see a list of transactions for the month. These charts are interactive, so we can hover over them and see a little bit more in detail what is what.
In our app, we have the ability for logged in users to connect their bank accounts via Plaid. To do this, you can go to the avatar, settings, accounts, connect new account. That'll redirect you to Plaid's connection UI, where you can go through and connect your bank account. We'll exit out of that for time. Right now it is just using Plaid's sandbox connection. And we are working on storing it in the database to have it reflected here where these placeholders are.
Next up, we have the admin page. We know the admin page is not the main purpose of this project, and so we are not going to be spending too much time on this page, but we have set up basic infrastructure right now. Front and back end for this page, this is a user table that we can look up users. These are real users in our Neon database. We plan to add a couple more graphs here, more charts, but we will not be spending much more time on this page. Next up, we have the settings page, the settings modal. So from here, we can edit your first name, last name, email, and it will not let us change an email to one that is already in use. And then we have preferred currency, which we have backend support for as well. We can update your currency, and then in the backend, we are using an API to, in the future, it will convert your currency to your preferred currency in chat responses. Personalization, accounts, notifications, and data controls such as deleting your account. This is also fully responsive to sizes. And that's about it.
So I'll be quickly showcasing our pinecone setup right now. So we have a ClearJar index set up to 1024 dimensions for our vector embeddings using the multilingual E5 large model from Microsoft. And we've uploaded 192 fake Plaid transactions to mimic real data. And I'll also quickly show what our basic API does for now. So we can import some sort of test query, such as how much did I spend on plane rides last year? And then if we execute that API endpoint in the browser, it'll return the 3 nearest neighbors to that specific query. And so we have these transactions with United Airlines for 500 USD tickets. These are all the same transaction, but with different unique account IDs. And so that's kind of how the Plaid sandbox is working right now, but we need to find a more suitable data set that will give us way more test cases that we can try and sample different transactions. But right now there is also a bunch of different transactions. If I were to ask something like hot drinks, for example, it would send back a bunch of Starbucks transactions.